Oh, what's up guys, I welcome you back to this channel. My name is Ayan and you are running episode 24. As a reminder, the chapter we shall discuss is covered in episode 20. Please check if you missed out that. I'll add a link in the description for you to follow up. Now, we are going to learn how you can lengthen your lines in Autocad, but using the delta, the percentage, the total, and the dynamic options. For that matter, therefore, let's jump into the tutorial. Wow, here we are in Autocad. Let's start with making one line. Click line, specify first point, and give direction. I'll use 1000. Don't forget to set units by typing UN enter and follow as discussed before. This is our line, 1 meter. The options for lengthen, you can find them here in the modification tab or modify, and this is the tool, lengthen, or you can use a shortcut by typing len, that is LEN, and you have it, lengthen. So once I select on it, it will tell you select an object to measure with these options: delta, percent, total, dynamic. Once I select this option, this one, then you need to select the options. I'll start with dynamic here. With the dynamic, I'll select the object again and move up to as far as I need. Select the object and move as far as you need. That is how it works. Let's get another line, 1000. Right now I'll use this option. Let's go for delta. Select delta and it will tell you enter delta length. Now I need to make this 2 meters. So where there is the 200, I'll type 1000. Let's enter. Now once I select the end point at my right, it will extend or lengthen towards the right. Once I go to my left, it will move towards the left. Similar to this one. So let me click onto the right and escape. Once now I click on that line and just pause over the end point, it is in 2000, meaning we have doubled the length. Let's see something unique before you use delta. We are making a line of 1 meter. Once I go for that option for lengthen, and when I click on that line, the first thing it will tell you is this length, 1000. So once I pick now my delta and type in 155 that, enter, and now I choose this side, that means that once now I pause over that, you can see an increment. So before you use delta, even if you don't know the length of the line, you can read it where we have seen. That is wonderful. Another option is percentage. For percentage, it is quite unique. Let's make a line of 1 meter steel, 1000 millimeters, and I go for my lengthening tool. This time round, I'll pick percentage, and if I put a percentage below 100, it will shorten my line. For example, 50, enter. Once I select this object, either at the end or the end right or end left, like that, and press enter, you realize that once I click on it again and pause over, it has reduced by 500, which is 50% the initial length. So that is what it works with when you have a percentage below 100. Now let's witness, what if I want to increase it by 50%? Let's go with the same line, and now I go for this tool, click percentage or percent, and I need to increase it by 50%, meaning that I will put 150. Once I press enter and I select now my line, any end works members. So I will click there once, because this tool you can click multiple times. That is why I'm emphasizing once. You can click multiple times. Now our interest is this. Let's check and we'll see whether this has increased by 50% after punching in 150. You realize that now we have 1,500, meaning it has increased by 50%. The same mathematics applies to even arcs. If I have an arc, and this arc I need to increase its length. Similarly, you go to modify, lengthening. You can still use also delta and also percentage. So percentage, I need to shorten it, so I will put 50, enter. Once I select this arc, by ratios you see that it is reducing the arc length half the initial. So they all work to lines and arcs as well. Let's go for another option. Let's pick the line, use 1000, enter, enter again, search for lane, lengthening, this one. Now I need the total. Once I click on total, it will tell you to specify the total. I need this line twice or more than that. Let's take it twice by making it 3000. Once I press enter and I select on this line, with our same concept of mathematics, and I pause over the node or the endpoint, you see it taking you to 3000 millimeters, which was our total. The same application as I said, wax to axe. That is great. Now let's see what is missing and cover it. I hope we have done the 4 basic principles, and in this episode you realize that everything has worked smoothly. Try them out, know what the really content is, because our purpose is studying and understanding the concept of how this application works in details, not only passing over the surface. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode. Bye bye. Take likes, take shares and comments. Bye bye. See you soon.